What if your entire team could collaborate on social content, approvals, and publishing all in one place? In this video, we will walk you through how to invite team members or clients into Vista Social and set them up with the right access so your workflows run smoothly from day one. If you have already connected your social profiles, you are ready for the next step, and that is bringing in your team. To get started, head to the bottom left corner of your dashboard and click the plus icon. From there, select Add Team Member. Now enter your team member's name, their email address to send the invite to, and their preferred language. One quick thing to keep in mind, if that person already has their own separate Vista Social account, they can't be added directly under your subscription. If that comes up, our support team can help you sort it out. Next, you'll choose their access level, and this is where things get important. Think about what role this person will play in your workflow. If they just need visibility, read-only access lets them view content without making any changes. But for most teams, restricted access is where things get really powerful. This lets you fine-tune exactly what someone can and can't do, whether that's creating content, reviewing posts, or managing specific features. For example, you might allow someone to draft posts but require approval before anything goes live. Or you might give a teammate access to connect social profiles without opening up the rest of the account. Once you've set everything up, go ahead and send the invite. They will receive an email, create their account, and join your workspace. From there, you're ready to collaborate, whether that's planning content, reviewing approvals, or managing your social presence together. And as your team grows, you can continue refining roles and permissions to match how you work. For more tips on optimizing your workflows, check out the rest of our Getting Started series. And if you need help, our support team is always here.